Well, I greet you. How are you? Uh, Once again, I would like to welcome you to this fantastic YouTube channel. I still remain Amos, who is going to take you through. We have been learning about basic computer skills, how to use Google Components. Now, today, I'm going to take you through something, and that something is very, very vital in today's uh, nature of life. Now, I have been wondering and I've been asking myself, you know, I have very many friends and I want to invite them for my friend's wedding ceremony, but I'm very lazy in writing very many letters. So, how can I write one letter? But I want to send this one letter to all my friends. How will I manage to do this? I've been asking myself, and today I want also to share this with you. That's what is called mail merging. Mail what? Mail merging, please. So, you who is out there and doesn't know what is mail merging, I kindly invite you to watch this video. Please subscribe, like, and share so that people out there will know how to use this mail merge. So, I don't want to waste a lot of time. Let's do it. Okay. Now, I have my letter. Okay, I have a letter. So I've already written the letter. So let me open it. It's already here. I'm opening the letter. So it's already in this folder called Word. Okay. Yeah. So it is here. The Central Organizing Committee. Right. Just that is it. Okay. So hey, that is my letter. See, it is very nice there. Let me scroll down so that let me just reduce it so that you will see it clearly. I'm going to reduce it. Okay. Yes. So my computer is a bit slow, but don't worry, we shall do it, and you see. So that is my letter. So you can see I've written it there, the date. So that is it. So now, instead of writing very many of these letters, typing until you type, my head, you get tired. So now I'm going to do what is called mail merging. Okay, I'm going to do what is called mail merging, and through mail merging you find it easy. It is very easy to write a letter. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to take you through this. So now let's start our process of mail merging. Okay, now you have different tabs here: insert, draw, design, out, references, and mailings. So we're going to mailings here. You click on mailings. After clicking on mailings, you come here. You see envelopes. You see a lot of things here, but you come straight to start mail merge. Okay, so we're starting. So I click on that. You can see. So there are letters, email. So this one is telling us about the kind of message you're sending. Are you sending a letter? Are you sending an email? Are you sending envelopes, labels, directory, or what? A normal Word document? No problem. But now, what I'm going to teach you is what is called step-by-step mail merge wizard. This is the step that we're going to use. So you click on step by step. So after clicking there, you see my letter is already here. So this is the process that we're going to follow. We're going to have 6 steps. 6 steps. Okay, so here, so you have to select okay, document type. What type of document are you working on? See, letters, and indeed we are working on letters, so you click on letters. If it was to be an email message, you click on email, but since ours is letters, we're going to click on letters. So let's move. So send letters to a group of people. You can personalize the letter that each person receives. So you're clicking next to continue. So here we come here. Are you seeing that? So starting document. So we are done with the first step. We are on the second step. Now, how do you want to set up your letter? Okay, use the current document. Start from a template. Start from existing document. So we're using the current document, which is here. So now we're already using it. So we click on current document. Good. So that is step 2. So we come to the next step, which is select recipients. So So we are selecting our recipient. So use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, select type a new list, and so if we were to have an existing list, that a list that has been generated earlier on, we shall just come here and browse. Okay, we shall just click on browse, and we're going to check for our list from here. Okay, but since we do not have a pre-existing list, this is what you are going to do. Since we don't have a pre-existing list, so we're going to create a new list of our own. Okay, so we're going to create a new list. So let's create that new list. So you come here, type a new list. I see that. So you come and click on type a new list. So it is telling me now, yes, now create your list. So I'm going to click on create. So after this is now the table that it has brought for us. So we're going to fill in this table. But now we have the title, the first name, the last name, the company name, the address. There are so many things here. So but there are certain fields that we are not interested in, like the company name. We may not be interested as far as this letter is concerned. What we are all interested is the title of the person, the first name, and the last name. Those are the three things that we are interested in. But it now depends also on the type of letter you are writing. Okay, so there are some letters that will demand you to add that person's email address, what you can add them. So how do you find those things? You come, this is our table, but this table is a very big table. If you have to see, you check from here. Have you seen that? All those, have you seen all those? But I'm not interested in some of these things here. So I'm going to remove them. How do you remove them? You come to customize columns. Okay, you click there. So you see there's so many here. So how many units are here? There are so many. So do I need the email address? I don't need the email address. You click on email address, you say delete. So yes, I don't need it. The work phone, I don't need that. I'm going to delete it. What else? The home phone, I'm going to delete. So to make our video short, I'm going to work on these ones here. I'm going to delete them. So I've deleted them. So I'm left with the three: the title, the first name, and the last name. So now I can say okay. Now you can see now my table has been left with the thing. So now what's the title of this person that so we're going to begin filling our table. So now the title, okay, we say Mr. Okay, let it be in small, Mr. That is it. Then the first name, so you can say Okello. Okay, Okello. So let me say properly. So the next name is, let's say, Peter. Okay, Okello Peter. Yeah, Okello Peter. That is the first person. Okay, so you come to new entry. I think you can delete this entry, but we add a new entry. So after the new entry, it's going to create another. So who else do you want to invite? Let's invite a reverend also. Okay, a reverend. So we are going to invite, let's say, reverend. So you say Jonathan. Okay, the order of writing names. So who else? The other name, let's say Jonathan Washwa. Okay, Washwa. That is. So you come to another new entry. Let's now go to Mrs. Jane. Okay, Mrs. Jane. The next name is, let's say, Arupo. Okay, yes. So I think those three are enough for learning purposes, but you can add as many as possible. You can add 100 names or 1,000 names. You can add them. So we're going to say okay. Okay, so I'll just say okay. So now we have our table there. So how do we name the table? We say it is called now list of recipients. Okay, list of recipients. So we save it. I think that. So I'm going to save it. So I've already saved it. I think that. So list of recipients I've already. So we have the title, the first name, the second name. They're there. I think that. So we are going to say okay. So now I've already created the list. Okay, so now you come to the next option, which is saying write your letter. I think that write your letter. So we click on write your letter. So if you want to go to the previous step, you can click from here. Okay, so we are clicking here. So write your letter. We are writing our letter. So now this is our letter. Now we are going to add those things. So now the address book, the greeting line, electric, no, those are not our interest. So we come to more items, you click there. So now we're already adding the fields. Now they're here. We're coming to insert them. So for us to insert them, this is what you're going to do. You come, where is the cursor? You bring it here, you click there. I think that yes. So we create some space a bit. Okay, now you come to more fields. So what do we need? We need a title. We say title, we insert it there. Have you seen that? So that is the title. So we create space. I think that no. So we have already inserted the title. So let's insert another one. You come to more items, you click on more items. It's going to display for us. So we need the, have you seen where this line is? So mark it. So the first name, we shall click on the first name here, I think. Then we shall say insert. Then after inserting, we shall say that's okay. Okay, we're going to close that. Okay, why do we close it? We need to create space. You create that space. After creating the space, you again come back to more items. Slowly, okay. Yeah, that's why I'm going slowly. Then you come and click the last name. Then you say insert. Now we have already inserted, and then we can close it from here. Now if there was to be other items, like maybe what the person is supposed to come with, those other things in the letter here, you can also, if you wanted to insert something around here, you can click here, then you again come here, you insert. But we have, for our letter, we don't have provisions for that. So that's what you're going to do. So now you come to now we're going to preview our letter. Okay, you can click on preview your letters. So now after previewing, you come here. Are you seeing that? So the first one is here. We shall say, are you seeing that? The first, now, dear Mr. Okello Peter. Are you seeing that? Yes. So let me edit something here. Let that comma be there. Dear Mr. Okello Peter. Are you seeing that? So the next one is we have Mrs. Alupo Jane. Are you seeing that? What do we have? What else do we have? So we have so those are the letters. So you can check the first recipient. You can go to the second recipient, which is Reverend Jonathan Waswa. Are you seeing that? So the third recipient is you click here, you say it is Mrs. Jane Alupo. So that is how you can write one letter to very many people. Are you seeing that? So it is easy. And also, I told you, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. So I know you're enjoying. Wow. So those are, but now you can also exclude some recipients from receiving your letter. You can come here. Are you seeing that? You can click there. So that is where, or you can also edit the list again, or you can select from here. You can select a particular group of recipients that you want to receive your letter. Like now, if I click there, are you seeing that? So we are going to use our existing list, and you mark from there. But I don't want really to waste a lot of time, your time. You in computer, you have to also explore certain things so that you know a lot. So that is the good thing with computer. So now we are going to complete our merge. Okay, just say complete the merge. I think that you say complete the merge. So we have already completed our merge. So now you can come edit individual letters, and these letters are going to divide themselves as individuals. So you can say edit individual letters. I think that. So now I think that now from these two to this, like now, but like if you have like very many recipients, the current record, you can say the current record, you will edit this one here, which you are seeing. But then if you are to have very many recipients, like let me say from 1 up to 500, okay, recipient. So you can say from 1 to 500, and then now it will select that group of letters and put, separate them. Then you start editing them one by one, but we want to edit all, so we're going to say okay. Okay, so let's say okay, and you will see now our letters being separated. So we can have, this is the letter that is going to Okello, so this is the letter which is going to Reverend Jonathan. So this is the letter which will be going to Jane Alopo. Then you just print them out. Are you seeing that? So I hope you have learned something very nice out of this lesson. Please, if you want to learn more, you can put your queries in the comment section. You can inbox me directly. I'll find it there. Okay, I'll find it in the comment section. So please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye. Meet you next time. Bye.